Welcome to the Yoga Master channel, all the peoples of the world, students, learners. I love all the peoples all over the world, not only Indians, but also America, German, Japan, France, Cuba, Africa, Russia, all over the world, human being I am loving. If any interesting persons want to learn my Kundalini Raja Yoga, they can be call me in my WhatsApp number, message me your name and age and your place. I will teach all the persons because this is not for me, this is for all the world. This is all the world peoples can be utilize this tricks. So that is secret. This is very secret technique. This is very innocent time yogis technique. This is I am giving to the peoples because this is so many years back our Rishi Munis find out this technique, but 20 years I had been done sadhana 20 years. Afterwards I this technique I searched and bring outside. If you any confusion, misunderstanding, anything else, it will removing. This Kundalini Raja Yoga, you will take the time, 6 month time. What is the learner qualification? First thing, he should be brahmachari. First thing is, he should be below, he should be young age person, below 40-45 years. Next, he should be health perfectly. His health should be perfect. No any disease in his body. And he should be follow the brahmacharya. 6 month brahmacharya he should be follow when entering this yoga, when starting this yoga. This is very powerful yoga. And they must be follow yama niyamas in the lifetime. Means yama niyama, non-violence, trust, non-stolen, sexual control, simple living. Brahmacharya means sexual control and purity, contemplation, tolerance, self-study and dedication to life your God or Yesu or Muhammad, anyone, Ishvara. Dear friends, next qualification. When you start this yoga, early morning 4 to 5 a.m. in Brahmani Muhurta, our Rishi Muni said that is Brahmani Muhurta. In Brahmani Muhurta 4 to 5 a.m. you should be start this yoga in 4 to 5 a.m. early morning. 24 times what I saying the yoga, you should be do that yoga 24 times. Through this yoga, pranayama, through this yoga I am saying. And at the time of the doing pranayama, they must be use stopwatch option, mobile. On cell phone, there is stopwatch option. You must be use stopwatch option and beside you put some 6 small rock, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rocks. Put left side. And pray your God. God, you pray your God. I am doing this yoga for you. I want to achieve my goal. I want to see you. I want to enjoy Brahmananda. So you pray the God. Wash your mind and came and pray your God. Afterwards sit where the sun is rising in that place. That place you want to sit. Opposite side. Opposite of the sun rising, you want to sit, and so 24 time you want to do this pranayama, and timing is 4 to 5 a.m. early morning. And so non-veg is not good, but vegetarians is good for this yoga. But somebody so in out of countries the non-veg is always eating the food, but they want to eat sometime vegetarians also. More and more try to eat vegetarians in this yoga time. Afterwards you can eat the non-veg. And when so in your kumbhaka, when you doing inside kumbhaka, that time you want to say one mantra I giving, that is Gayatri mantra. Om Bhuvasvaha Tassayyatarvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Somebody, if you come saying this mantra, you can say inside only, not outside. That is not fast, and that is not, they do not, that is not say fast, and that is not say in inside slow. That is medium time you can job, and your prarabdha karma and fast life karmas will be finishing. Afterwards your shuddha, chitta shuddha, it means all removing, your third eye will be opening. After the your karma finishing, after the karma you are finishing back karma, then your third eye will be opening, and you can you will bring good knowledge. This is yama niyama. I said yama niyama should be follow a lifetime. Any sadhaka, whichever old, whichever person, they must be follow yama niyamas. You see people now what I saying. So put a small rocks and take mobile stopwatch and aniloma viloma. First I saying aniloma how to start stopwatch and take slowly. Ten-second inside breathing, taking breath at one side, and 10-second releasing one side breathing. This is one pranayama. Like this, 24 time you want to do. Next, second time. Like you second pranayama complete. Like 24 time, early morning, 4 to 5 am, you should be do like this. And afterwards, after pranayama, you do not do any meditation. You can do meditation in evening time. Morning time, you should be do this pranayama to take all the your body's power, uh, total power use doing this pranayama in your body. So in this pranayama, there is a 5 steps. First is aniloma viloma. 15 days want to do all the persons. 15 days. 15 days. Afterwards, you can ask me. The next step I am giving, that is inner kumbhaka. It means first stage, in the just stage, 4 taking inside, 4 taking left side, and 16-second putting in inner kumbhaka, and 8-second releasing outside. That is one pranayama. Next pranayama. After the aniloma viloma, you should be do this pranayama. 4-second taking inside. This is like one. Second one, This is second. Like 24 time you want to do. This is the demo of the pranayama. And if you have time, you can read some books. Jnana Sindhu and Devi Parayana Grantha and Bhagavad Gita and Upanishads and any Guru Granthas, Ramayana, Mahabharat, Patanjali Yoga Sutra and Vivekananda Raj Yoga, Puranas, 18 Puranas and Devi Stuti, Lalita Sahasranama, Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhajanas and Doyes, Basavanna Vachanas. Like you want to read, you want to know about your soul. That is self-study. Self-study means study of your soul. About your soul, you want to study more and more. You want to study more and more. And there is a 7 chakras. Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Ajna, Sahasra. So when you doing 5 months, 6 months continuously, your Muladhara will activing. Afterwards, Swadhisthana, afterwards, Manipura, afterwards, Anahata, afterwards, Vishuddha, afterwards, Ajna, third eye, afterwards, Sahasra. One by one, your chakra will be activing. 6 months, if you done 6 months, what I saying, if you following my route, within 6 months, your Kundalini will be activating. And after the activation of the Kundalini, you have to fight against the Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Mada, Moha, Matsara. Kama, wants, and hungry, Krodha means hungry, and Lobha, Jipnatana, so conjuice, and Moha, loving, Mada, so ego, and Matsara. These type, you should be fight against these things. Six things. And so some madas also there. Kula, Bala, Rupa, Yavana, Sati, Siri, Vidya, Tapa. These are the madas. Madas means I am rich persons. I am beautiful persons. I have good girl. I am good wife. And I have tapasvi. Like that is ego will coming. You should be fight against ego. Like you live like a child, just like a child, you want to live in the society. And Pancha Indriya, Pancha Karmendriya, there is a 10 Indriyas. Pancha Indriya, eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and that is charma, so skin. These are Pancha Indriyas. Pancha Karmendriya, Jnanendriyas, these are. Pancha Karmendriyas means so hand, leg, and buttock, guda, and mooth, and sisna. These are the Laingika Indriya, vision. These are 5 Karma Indriya. You have to control regularly this 10 Indriya you have to control. Then your 11 Indriya, mind, Manasu, mind will be automatically coming control. And afterwards, we have to read these books, and so you Vairagya should become. Then you don't go more and more people's between more and more people's. You want to stay. So ekanta, it means single, living single, and thinking yourself, and don't talk with others more and more, and take a food limitation, and do the sleep with limitation. And so you don't think I want that, I want this, like you don't ask like. So what is God is given, you should be there and sufficiently. Like if you following these are the rules every day, if you following these are the rules, you will see the God, and you will enjoying Brahma Jnana, Brahma. And who is interested in this yoga, they should be in my description box, my phone number. You can send your name and place and age, and I will call you and start your yoga. You see, peoples, there is a war in world. So man, all the man is one caste. All the man, Russia, America, German, Japan, Cuba, India, all human body, all humans are only one group, and animals is one group, and trees, and that is one group. And Jalachala, it means in water living, those are the animals, that is one group. Like human also one group. There is a no caste. There is a no religious. All are Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means all the world is one family. Like we should be live like all the world people should be live like. Maha Avatar Babaji is given one Kriya Yoga technique. Like I am also giving Kundalini Raja Yoga technique to the world. This technique is I giving this technique to the world. This technique is given our Rishi Munis, our Indian oldest ancient Rishi Munis. This techniques given, and I practiced. I have done at sadhana 20 years. I find out that this sadhana, and this way I am spreading all over the world. Kindly you can share your friends also. So, but I need not any name and fame, anything else. But Rishi Munis given this name and fame should go our Rishi Munis, not me. I am only Nepamatram. I am only Nepamatram. Therefore, so I am requesting all the people of the world should be learn this Kundalini Raja Yoga and success in your life. And so God will be give bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you.